With Hashem's loving grace, welcome to Emunah Lab 303. Today, we're going to do the toothpick test. Okay, we're going to take one toothpick, see very closely, and we're going to break it. Voila, see, it's splintered. So it breaks very easily, okay? Now, let's try something else. Let's see the strength that we have to apply to two toothpicks to break them. Now we have two toothpicks, okay? Two toothpicks, we put them together and we apply pressure. And if we had a pressure meter, we would see, well, we have to apply not double the pressure, 3 times the pressure to break them. And they splinter, but they break apart a little bit more difficult. Okay, now let's try 4 toothpicks. We'll go in geometric procession. Instead of adding 1 and 1, we're in a 2 and 2. And we've got now 4 toothpicks. 4 toothpicks. Now we will try and break these 4 toothpicks. And we apply the pressure. And we see, wow, all of a sudden, we need 8 times the pressure than we do on 1. Okay, 4 times the pressure on 2, and 8 times the pressure. And here, very difficult. Even though they're broken, they're still kind of holding together until we finally rip them apart. All right, now we're going to do something much more challenging. We're going to take 12 toothpicks, 1 and 2 and 3, not to miss, 4, I'm not going to see a single one, then 5 and 6. Okay, we'll put 6 on this side, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and 12. Okay, so maybe you're wondering why we're being so careful about counting. We're going to have 6 right side toothpicks and 6 left side toothpicks, and we're going to put them together. So we have 12 toothpicks. No more right or left, only 12 in the center together. Only together. Now let's break the 12 toothpicks. 1, 2, 3, and we apply the pressure, and wow, they don't break. These little toothpicks, they don't break. We apply pressure. Let's try the other side. 1, 2, 3, and they don't break. They don't break. Now we really have to apply big pressure. They don't break. This is amazing. They're flexible. They do not break. When the 12 toothpicks are together, they don't break. You can try this yourself. This is the toothpick test. And what does this mean? And why are we doing this right on Purim? Because we can see the 12 toothpicks are the 12 tribes of Israel. And we had 6 on the right, 6 on the left. Or you could say Judah, Ephraim. But even so, the right or the left, the religious, non-religious, whichever way that Jews decide to differentiate between themselves, it's ridiculous. They're all Jews. In the end, they're all toothpicks. Doesn't matter what toothpick is on the right side, what toothpick is on the left side, whether a toothpick was made in China, or whether it was made in Poland, whether it's an Ashkenazi toothpick, or whether it's a Sephardi toothpick. We take those 12 toothpicks together, and you can't break them. And that is the message to our enemies. When we ourselves are divided amongst ourselves, it's so easy for our enemies to break us. But when we're together in unity, can't break us. And that's why the Megillah says, Knosset kol haYehudim, bring all the Jews together, bring them together. And that's why Mordechai, he said the good, he sought the good. He was the real leader. Doiresh l'chol amo. He sought the good of the entire nation. This is the type of leader today. This is the type of people we need to be. We need to be a unified people with a leader that's worried about everyone. This is the message of Purim. So if you don't understand how important unity is, do a toothpick test. You could do it right in your kitchen, wherever you are, and do this on the Purim table and show the family how important it is when we're together, whether it's a family, whether it's a congregation, whether it's a community, whether it's our nation as a whole. Nothing satisfies and gratifies Hashem so much as unity. Hashem doesn't need all kinds of stringencies, but together. Just imagine as a parent how much you love when your children together. And that's the gratification that Hashem has when we're together in unity, and nothing in the world can ever break us when we're held together with each other and with Hashem. God bless and have a wonderful Purim.